Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about soon-to-be tropical storm Gamma that could likely impact Mexico, much of Mexico, and maybe impact the United States if it curves north, which there is a slight possibility for that to happen. Before we get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content. Hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. Let's get right into this. This is the National Hurricane Center's forecast for Tropical Depression 25, soon to be Tropical Storm Gamma, before it makes its first landfall in Mexico. Tropical storm warnings and watches are in effect for portions of Mexico. More are expected to be issued as we get closer to Mexico. And you can see the cone is quite large. This thing can really track anywhere in the Gulf really at this current time, and it may potentially make a second landfall in Mexico stronger than the first landfall. It is forecasted to peak as a 50-mile-an-hour tropical storm at this time, with higher gusts possible, though a hurricane cannot be ruled out after the first landfall. These are tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. You see the darkest orange there is 40 to 50% chance, and the darkest green is a 5 to 10% chance to see tropical storm force winds. Intensity guidance for Tropical Depression 25, soon to be Gamma. All models have it becoming a tropical storm. It will be a tropical storm. And some models have it reaching low-end Category 1 hurricane status. While I do believe that is unlikely at this time, I'm not going to ignore the very small possibility. It'll likely stay a mid to low-end tropical storm during its lifetime. These are some of the potential paths it could take. You can see most of the models, besides one, has it curving west after the first Mexico landfall, with the exception of one model that has it curving towards the United States. That is very unlikely to happen. And if there's anywhere in the United States that will be impacted by this, it'll probably be southern Texas. But United States impacts are currently unlikely at this time regardless. Looking at current sea surface temperatures in degrees Celsius, you can see the Caribbean is very warm with widespread 30 to 32 degrees Celsius waters. Gamma is not expected to take up much of those waters, and those waters will remain very warm for the second system that'll be coming through that is more likely to bring United States impacts. But in the Gulf, in the southern Gulf of Mexico, temperatures are 29 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is warm enough for some moderate strengthening from the system when it taps into those waters. Question of the day for this video will be, how many miles per hour wind speed do you think Tropical Storm Gamma will reach at its maximum intensity? Currently, the National Hurricane Center forecasts this to be a 50-mile-an-hour tropical storm. So what do you think will happen? That's your trusted weather forecast for upcoming Tropical Storm Gamma. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.